Hey everyone, so text chat in Frame is pretty straightforward. There's a button up at the top left that will open it up. This is a group chat with everyone that is in your frame. So it's pretty simple. You can of course type text. You can also add emojis with a tiny emoji picker over here to the right. And if you share a link, then it will show up as a hyperlink that other people can easily click, and then it will open in a new tab. You, as the frame creator, will have a button that lets you quickly clear the chat history. That'll clear it for everyone. And if you don't want it to save the text chat history to begin with, you'll see in the frame setting, in the This Frame dropdown, there's actually a setting that lets you toggle whether you want it to save the history or not. If you do save the history, it does only save the most recent 50 messages. So any messages beyond that are history anyway. So there you have it. That is text chat. Good luck.